Hi everyone, today we're going to unlock the mystery of fractions. Don't worry, we'll make it super fun and easy to understand. Let's dive in. First things first, what is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. It's like slicing a pizza into pieces. Each slice is a fraction of the entire pizza. A fraction has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the number on top, which tells us how many parts we have. The denominator is the number on the bottom, which tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Imagine we have a pizza cut into 8 equal slices. If I take 3 slices, that's 3 out of 8. So, the fraction is 3/8. The numerator is 3, and the denominator is 8. There are 3 types of fractions. First is proper fractions. The numerator is less than the denominator, like 3/8. Next is improper fractions. Improper fractions. The numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, like 12/8. Lastly, mixed numbers. A combination of a whole number and a fraction, like 2 and 1/2. Let's break them down. A proper fraction is like having 3 out of 8 slices of pizza. An improper fraction is like having 12 slices of an 8-slice pizza. You have more than one whole pizza. An A mixed number is like saying you have 2 whole pizzas and 4 out of 8 slices of another pizza. And that's it for today's lesson on understanding fractions. Remember, fractions are just parts of a whole, and with a little practice, you'll be a fractions master in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everything.